I'm Tasha Danielle, and welcome to my channel where I share my experiences traveling the world solo since quitting my job in June 2022. This video is all about my wonderful time in Lisbon, Portugal, where I spent 2 weeks meeting so many like-minded, enthusiastic people. Let me share with you all what I did and what you should consider doing when you visit Lisbon, Portugal. Let's talk accommodations. I stayed in WC Beautique Hotel for 2 weeks. The location of the hotel was very conveniently located to the rail cars and to the metro system. The hotel itself was very beautiful. Why don't you take a look for yourself? The hotel staff was very friendly. I did not eat at the restaurant often. I think I only ate there once. I had a hamburger and fries, and the hamburger was just a basic hamburger. And I did not have any drinks at the bar. It was not a lot of foot traffic in this general area where the hotel was located. And so I didn't want to be in that area, to be honest, because I wanted to be in the middle of all of things to do, and I wanted to be in the picturesque cafe areas and the areas known for the really amazing food. Now, I did discover some great restaurants in the area, but it's not a main attraction to Lisbon like the restaurants that I ate at. So let me tell you some other pluses about this hotel location. There was a laundromat that was literally a minute away. I was staying there for 2 weeks, so me being able to go to the laundromat was very important. I was not about to pay high fees for laundry services in the hotel. I also wasn't too far of a walk from a local supermarket, so I can get things like rotisserie chicken or salad to keep in my mini fridge. There was no microwave to use in the hotel, so I had to be very strategic about my meals. Now, I am traveling on a budget, so the ability to be able to eat some meals in my hotel or Airbnb is very important. Now, I met a lot of people in Lisbon who actually did book an Airbnb, and I had trouble booking an Airbnb during the time frame of July 2022 because the Airbnbs were so expensive. Originally, when I was looking at Airbnbs and pricing out to get my budget together for Lisbon, I was planning to stay a month, and the Airbnbs were $1,500 USD at the time. I wish I would have booked during February, but not really, because I did not go to Lisbon on the same exact dates that I originally planned. But it would have been a lot cheaper if I would have booked it in advance. But if you've seen my other videos, you know that I have a loose itinerary, so it is what it is. So $1,600 for 2 weeks is pretty expensive. Now, I don't know the cost of the Airbnbs of the woman that I met, what their price was, but I know it was definitely less than $1,600. And they did not have the entire place. I was looking for an Airbnb that I could stay in completely by myself. I did not want to rent a room in an Airbnb. And some of the women that I met, they rented a room in the Airbnb. The Airbnb was located on the top floor. There was no AC. So those are some things I was not willing to sacrifice. And so I ended up in a hotel for 2 weeks. And this hotel was a 4-star hotel ranked on Google and Booking.com, TripAdvisor. Every notable hotel site rated this as a 4-star hotel. So I was pretty excited. And this 4-star hotel was cheaper than the Airbnbs in the area. So you get what you pay for. In a sense, it was great. The hotel itself was great. It just was not in my ideal location because I wanted to be able to walk out my door and just be in the middle of things. Thank you so much for tuning in to hear about my experience in Lisbon, Portugal. I hope that you take the time to leave me a comment or question in the comment section below, and please like and share this video if you care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.